Hello out there, YouTube friends. Today is a Stitch Fix Day. This is SincerelyCindiSettle. I do unboxings, I do some clothing hauls, and I do some book reviews. So if that sounds like something that you enjoy, I hope that you will stick around, hit the subscribe button. So welcome if you are new here, and welcome back if you have seen me and you've watched my videos before. Again, I hope that you will stick around, hit the subscribe button, and continue to watch my videos. Hit the notification bell and do all the good things. Please be sure to comment down below. Let me know what you like from this fix, what you don't like from this fix, what I should keep, what I shouldn't keep, all the good information. Style tips too. I always enjoy your all's style tips. So let's dig in to my fix. If you are not familiar with Stitch Fix, there is a $20 styling fee. I will have a referral link down below. If you haven't tried Stitch Fix before, you can use the referral link for at least a $25 credit, sometimes a $50 credit, depending on when you use the link versus the time I check out. So if I check out and you use the referral link within a 48-hour period, then you can sometimes get a $50 credit. So I will try to put that link also in the community tab whenever I check out, so that if there is a $50 credit, I will put it there as well, so that you can check it out and try it for, I mean, you can get a clothing item for 50 bucks, a clothing item or two or whatever. I'd say one, because they're a little pricey. Okay, so let's dig in. So in your box, you will have your style note with your style cards in here as well. I love the style cards. I love getting ideas of how to wear the items in my fix. I did choose all 5 items from this fix. You do get a preview. That is something they knew that they've been doing over the past year or so. So you do get a preview, so you can choose up to 5 of the 10 items that they will send to you. If you don't choose all 5 items, then they will supplement those items. So let's, for example, if you only choose 3, then you can leave them a style note indicating exactly what you're looking for, what else you might be interested in, and they will supplement with 2 more items so that you have 5 items in your box. So let's dig in. All right, so first we have a pretty little floral. So I was a little hesitant about this, but I thought it was really cute, and I think with the right jeans, it would look really cute. So it's kind of this smocked green colored small floral top. It does look like it's going to be a little bit cropped, but I think with a high-waisted jean that it's going to fit nicely. This is from Lush. It is a green, like a hunter green color with light white small print floral. These sleeves are sheer. Everything else is smocked. So we'll see how this goes. That's kind of out of my comfort zone, but we will see. And then this is just a black, I'm sorry, a black. This is just a white button down top. I don't have a white button down. I feel like it's kind of a classic. So this is just a classic look. I didn't want anything special or different or a poof sleeve. Just something that is a white classic button down that I could get use out of for years to come. Then we have a couple of sweaters. This is a pretty pink sweater I thought was very pretty. It is lighter weight. It would be great for work. It does have, what's the word I'm looking for? The stripes. I can't think of the word for it. I know there's a word and it's not coming to me, but it is very simple here, but it does have a very cute little scalloped hem that I thought was a lot of fun. If you choose not to tuck it in, that the scalloped hem is a lot of fun there. We have a very festive red sweater. Surprisingly, red is my favorite color, right? But I do not have any red sweaters. I have very few red items in my wardrobe. Like, I think I have one red tank top that has some flowers on it, and that might be about it, but nothing that's a true red. So I really liked this. I thought it was very festive. Not over the top, but has some cute little details. I do love the V-neck. It does have some design going down the sleeve as well as down the front. Again, it's not overly heavy either, but it's kind of the right weight to wear underneath coats. I have a problem wearing sweaters under coats. They're often too big and bulky. So those are kind of the perfect weight. And then they sent the preview for these black point dress pants. These are great. I hope that they fit. They are, like I said, a point leg, so they are going to be more fitted towards the bottom. They do have a zipper detail here at the ankle, which is super cute. So I'm really hoping that these work. I've been looking for some of these for quite some time. So let's get to the try on. Okay, y'all, so I'm back with the try on. So I apologize, my hair is a little flatter. My makeup might not be quite as fresh. I did have to take a little break. Went out, it's been raining like crazy. So my apologies if the hair is all kind of crazy. So here's our first item, and I did pair it with a pair of high-waisted jeans. I do think it looks fine with a high-waisted jean. I do still have some of the belly roll muffin top there that is visible, obviously. However, other than that, I mean, I do like the top. It is smocking all the way around, and you do have a little bit of a, not really a balloon sleeve, but it is just a, what's the word I'm looking for? An unlined sleeve. You have a square neckline. It does have elastic up here to keep that neckline up there. Very cute shirt. I do like the collar. I just don't think it's for me. So let me get a little closer. There you can get a better look at the collar. It is like a darker kind of olive green collar with small white floral. You can see that the sleeve is sheer. And it does have a little bit of elastic here at the wrist with a little ruffle. But for me, it's going to be a no. This is just a little bit too distinguished. Okay, so here we have our next two pieces. I do have on the white button down. It is just a basic white collared button down. I feel like the fit is good. Nothing is too tight here in the bust area. It does have two buttons here on the sleeve. The sleeves are a good length if I wanted to wear them down. I don't know. I feel like this is kind of a good basic. Let's see what it looks like from the back. It's not too oversized. It could be tucked in easily, I feel. Maybe not with this particular pair of pants, but without any problems. So let me know what you guys think about this. It doesn't have pockets or anything, which I like. It's just a plain, basic white button down. Very nice. Okay, so let's talk about the pants. I'm going to pan down just a little bit. Okay, so here we have the black point pants. I guess that's how you say that. I do like the feel of the pants. They're kind of an in-between kind of weight, and I do like the way they kind of go down with a skinny type of look. They are just a plain black pant, which I like, I was looking for. However, the fit is not quite as good as what I would want it to be up here. It does have pockets, but when you look here, and you probably can't see, but it does have a little bit of pulling right here at the zipper. If I were down maybe 5 pounds, maybe, and it all went away right here, these would probably be perfect. But if I went up a size, they would be way too big. I feel like the look of them is very nice and very classic. But I'm just not sure that I'm loving how that feels and looks right there. It doesn't feel real tight. But I'm not sure that I like how that has that pulling look right there. Let me know what you guys think. I know you guys, like I said, probably can't see that real well. I do like the pockets. The pockets are laying flat there on the side, which is a plus. The length is very good. Would look cute with booties or with heels. Not too tight. So I don't know. I'm kind of on the fence with these. Like I said, they don't feel tight. They just kind of look tight. But honestly, I would probably be wearing stuff over it in that area anyway. So let me know what you think. All right, let's try on the 2 sweaters. Okay, here we have a pretty pink sweater. Super cute, very comfortable. What the term I was looking for is ribbing. It came to me. So it is a very cute sweater. It's not overly big or anything like that. The fit is very good. I do like the scalloped edge. I think that's a lot of fun. It does have a little bit more definition here than what I thought it was going to have. I thought it was going to be kind of boxy. But I actually kind of like the look of this. It doesn't have a turtleneck or anything like that. It's just kind of a basic type of sweater with that little bit of interest and that little bit of ribbing there. There's also some scalloped here on the sleeves. So let me get a little bit closer so you can see this collar. So very beautiful, kind of a fuchsia pink collar that's very, very pretty. I feel like it complements my skin tone well and my hair color well. You can see the little scalloped edge here as well. And it just is just a crew neck. The sleeves, there's no drop sleeve, there's no ballooning, there's nothing fancy about it. But I do feel like the fit is very nice. This might be an option too. It is a very nice work sweater. It would be great this time of year. All right, one more sweater. All right, so a different look, but still very, very flattering. Again, I feel like the fit is very nice for this sweater. I love the collar. Very festive, very Christmassy. You do have a little bit of a longer wristband there. I'll show you that in just a second. And you do have some fun stitching going down the arms as well as down the center of the sweater. I love the V-neck. I'm liking this one too. Woo woo. This one is a little bit heavier than the pink one, but not overly so. It's not so oversized and bulky that you're not going to be able to wear a coat over it. So let's get a little closer. So very pretty, just a classic red, a true red color. Again, a V-neck, but not too V-neck to where it's still very conservative. You do have a longer wristband here that gives the sleeve a little bit of ballooning, but not too much. Not so much of a drop sleeve or anything like that. I feel like the sleeves are a good fit, or I guess the width is a good fit on my shoulders. I don't know, I like this one too. Decisions are hard, man. Of course, the price always plays a role. So let me know what you guys think. Some cute options in here, nothing over the top, but some very cute options. I don't have a red sweater. I don't have a pink colored sweater. That pink sweater would look really cute with a blazer and some jeans. This would look cute with jeans, dressed down. So let me know what you guys think. I'll be right back with the wrap up. Okay, y'all. So I just decided to stay with the red sweater instead of changing back into the pink. So if you're interested in the pink sweater, I do have a link to it in the video that featured that sweater. It was an Amazon haul. So if I can find that one, I will link that one up above. That is a super cute off the shoulder little pink sweater. It was, I don't know, 25 bucks or something like that. Anyway, so let's get into this Stitch Fix and see what these prices look like. So we have this green blouse first. This is $44. I did think this was cute. I just don't think it's for me. One of my daughters would probably look much better in it. They might not have the muffin top like I do. So it's not quite as flattering on me as what I would hope, as what I had hoped it would be. Oh, here's my pink sweater. I haven't hung it up too. Sorry about that. Hanger. All right, then we have the V-neck sweater in red. This is $50. Not a bad price. I like it. Then we have the dark pink sweater. That's this one here. Again, I liked this one as well. Let me know what you guys think about this collar on me. This was $54. We have the pants that I have on. They are $58. So I'm still on the fence with them. I do like them. You know, even sitting down, this isn't bothering me. as like I thought it would. Of course, there's going to be some muffin top just because I'm sitting, but they are comfortable to sit in. So these might be a keeper as well. And then we have the blouse, and that's this one here, and it is $64. So I'm not 100% sold on the blouse. I feel like that's a little pricey for just a plain white button-down blouse. So I'm not 100% sure if that one's going to stay with me. However, I do think I got some makeup on it. Oh, what do you do when that happens? I guess I'll just message customer service and let them know. I mean, what can you do? I mean, I think it's going to happen. Surely that happens all the time. I mean, you're trying on clothes. I mean, how can it not happen from time to time? Anyway, okay, so everything together was $270. If you buy all 5, you do get a 25% off discount. That would bring it to $202.50. I do have a little bit of a credit, so thank you to whoever used my code, my referral code. So that would bring the whole box to $177.50, which is a very reasonable price for 5 items, and these were all very cute items. But I just don't think I'm going to keep everything. I am kind of leaning towards the sweater. I feel like it's very festive, and I like festive. I love Christmas. It's my favorite time of year. So let me know what you guys think. I love hearing from you guys. I am always looking for your guys' input and feedback and opinions on what boxes I should try, what unboxings I would need to do, what hauls I need to do. I keep saying I'm going to do better with hauls, and I just don't. It's hard to find the time. I work full time. I have a couple kids still at home that I run around to different places. I facilitate a book group on Facebook. I do my YouTube channel, and I have my dog and, you know, life and my husband. So it's hard to fit it all in, but I do like to get your all's opinions, and I would like to continue to try to branch out to do some of that other stuff that you guys have been requesting. As always, I appreciate all of your support. Thank you so much for being here. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys the next time. I am Sincerely Cindy Settle. I'm signing out. Mwah.